Now I would like to explain experiment number 8, exception handling. Write a program in Java if number less than 10 and greater than 50. It will generate exception out of range, else it displays the square of number. First we will import necessary libraries. Create a class out range expression with exception class. Create another class test inside with get a number from the user. Check if that number is within the specified range inside try block, and if the number is not within the try block, within a given catch block or catch any throw exception. Inside the catch block displays the exception name. Inside the catch block exception name, then it stops the program, and second program to write a Java program to implement user defined exception handling when user enters a negative amount program and user defined exception called invalid amount. First we import java.utilscanner, then import necessary libraries. Create a class invalid amount exception, extends the exception class. Create another class test2. Inside we get a number from the user. Check if the number is negative inside the try block, and if the number is negative thrown the user defined exception following the try block. Give a catch block to catch any thrown exception. Inside the catch block display the exception name and exception name and stops the program. And third one, first we import java.utilscanner, then we import necessary libraries, then create a class insufficient funds exception which extends the exception class. Create a class checking account inside which define the method from bank operations like deposit, withdraw, view balance. Inside withdraw method check. Inside withdraw method check if the amount to be withdrawn is greater than balance thrown insufficient funds, except exception else to do withdraw operation. Create another class test3, extends checking amount, then get the amount to be deposited from the user and call the deposit method. Similarly get the amount to be withdrawn and call the withdraw method inside try block. After the try block write a catch block to catch the user defined exception. Inside the catch block display the exception name and print system.out.println, then it stops the program. And fourth problem, write a Java program to check the age for polling vote using user defined exception. First we import necessary libraries. Create my class my exception which extends the exception class. Create another class test4. Inside we get the age from the user. Check if the age is greater than 18 inside try block, and if the age is not thrown the user defined exception following the try block to catch any thrown exception. Inside catch block the display the exception name and follows the output, and then it stops the program. And